just cannot stop eating this.
Come to Papa!
How's the taste? Hey guys, it's me, Kuya Milton, and today we're gonna do something a little different. Usually I make Filipino food, and you can see my playlist in the link down below. But today we are gonna be making a viral TikTok food. Fruity Pebble pancakes with Fruity Pebble syrup. Can you believe it? Oh my gosh, I used to have this cereal when I was a kid all the time. And now they have it in pancake form, along with, this is super surprising for me, Fruity Pebble syrup. I've been seeing this on TikTok a lot, so I wanted to give it a try. Not only is it gonna be new for you, but it's gonna be new for me as well. Let's get started. So today we're gonna be using the Mrs. Butterworth's Epic Pancake Mix. Ooh, look, we got the Fruity Pebble cereal. Look at that. Oh, and then we got some icing for the topping. Nice. We got that pancake mix right here. There's some color inside. That's obviously from the cereal. Wow, it really smells like Fruity Pebbles. So you don't really have to have this box specifically in order to make these. All you need is pancake mix, Fruity Pebble cereal, and sprinkles. Take a look. See? We got some cereal in there, but some of it is also just sprinkles. 2 1/4 cups of water. And now we just mix. Really starting to smell like the cereal. Now we're gonna make our glaze. If you don't have the glaze, you can just use frosting or even whipped cream. Now we're just gonna add a little milk so it's a little runny for our glaze. Now we can finally start to cook our pancakes. We're gonna take some spray. I'm gonna try and do some small ones. I think it's good to flip. Here we go. Ooh, look at that. You can really see some of the cereal and the sprinkles. Really smells like the cereal. If you think this is all we're making, you're wrong. Let's make more. All right, time to add to the stack. If you think this is all we're making,
You're wrong.
let's make more.
What?
Here we go again.
The Guinness
Hey!
Guinness Book of Pancake, tallest pancake.
Hey! Hey! If you think this is all we're making,
You're wrong.
let's make more.
What?
Oh my gosh, guys, look at that! It's my whole head almost. What do you think? It's almost my whole head. Oh, you can make a lot with pancake mix. Now we're gonna put the glaze. Here we go. Oh yeah. Now we're gonna top with the Fruity Pebble cereal. And there you have it. Oh my gosh. This is so much different than what I thought. I can't believe it turned out this way. It looks so colorful, it looks so good. Now, it doesn't really matter how's it look, right? What matters is, how's the taste? All right, let's try. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Okay, here we go. Look at that. It's gonna be my first bite. Oh my gosh, so sweet.
Oh yeah.
That's good. That's really good. The pancake is nice and chewy, really bouncy. And then the cereal on top of the Fruity Pebble cereal gives it a nice crunch. It's really flavorful, really nice. Then the glaze adds a little extra sweetness, but it's not too sweet. It's like a really, really good dessert. Let's try another piece. It's really good.
Oh yeah.
I like it.
There's a lot in your mouth.
I feel like I eat this every day, but if I ate every day like this, it's gonna be really bad. I'm going in again. I just cannot stop eating this. This time we're gonna try the Fruity Pebbles syrup along with it. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so sweet. It doesn't smell like the cereal. It smells like Flintstone vitamins if you melted them down. It almost smells like medicine.
Weird.
That is a weird smell. We gotta do what we gotta do. Let's try it. Oh my gosh. It's like the fruit punch mix that you're supposed to mix with like a gallon of water, and they only mix it with like 1 cup. Okay, here we go. I can't really try it. Let me try it again. Let's try it by itself. This does not taste like Fruity Pebbles at all. Sorry. The pancake, I feel is really, really good. This, on the other hand, not so much. I'd rather have it just like this. So, good news for everybody. All you need is pancake mix, Fruity Pebbles cereal, and some frosting, and you can have something really good. It's nice, really good. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below for whatever recipe you'd like to see me do next. I really enjoyed this recipe. I was very pleasantly surprised. It was really good, but now I need to go eat a salad. Thank you guys so much for the support, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.